Hello friends, if you're a WhatsApp admin and want control over who can send messages or who can approve new members, then go over to your WhatsApp desktop app, launch WhatsApp, go inside the group that you want to manage, scroll down to the group permission sections, and this is very powerful. So here currently any member can send messages and any member can add other members. Now if I uncheck this option, then anybody can add. It doesn't require my approval. I'm the admin, but now I have the power to approve new members, right? So admins must approve who wants to join, and you can take a quick look at who are the admins by clicking on this icon. So again, you can set WhatsApp as groups where only admins can send messages by clicking on this option, or you can set WhatsApp where only admins, anybody can add, but admins must approve. Alright friends, so WhatsApp is quite powerful, but to really leverage the power, use WhatsApp desktop on a PC or a Mac. Okay, thank you and have a good day.